This is my new acquisition I got at the Dollar Tree. I call it my Christmas deer. I'll show the back of the tag and I'll show the front of the tag. It says seasonal goods established 1996, Christmas house decor. When I first saw this, I thought it was made out of glass, but when I picked it up, I could tell it was made out of plastic. But I still think it looks like it's made out of glass. I like the way it looks, the way the light shines off of it, the way it's translucent, and I don't think it looks cheap. Now, if you're looking for one of these, I don't know if all Dollar Trees are going to have this, so your mileage might vary. I kind of think it's not going to be available at all Dollar Trees, but I don't know. And this was a $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And I definitely think it's worth $1.25. I searched for the deer on the Dollar Tree website and I couldn't find it. So if you're looking for one, you're going to have to look at your local Dollar Tree stores and see if they have one.